Hey guys, and welcome to my channel, Explicit Wellness. Yes, today I will be showing you how to clean a glass top oven. Yes, how to clean a glass top oven. Okay, I'm going to get rid of all this grime, as you can see. I'm going to get rid of all this grime. Some spots are lighter than others, and then I hope you can see this over here. It's grimy and dirtier than the other, but that's because I have been trying to get it up myself. But anyway, I'm gonna get rid of all this grime. This grime is from grease and from you not just cleaning it up right then. So I just moved here, and this is how it has been. So I'm trying to get it right, and I want to see if my natural solution will work. And today I will be using baking soda, you will need a toothbrush. You need a toothbrush for scrubbing and other scrubbing tools. And you also would need vinegar. You can see it. I'm using the cleansing vinegar. And you also would need a Brillo scrubbing brush. That Brillo, y'all know about that Brillo scrubbing brush, the bristles, the bristles in there. So So that's what I'll be using with water. Okay, let's get started. First, we're gonna clean the surface. You always need to clean the surface if you're going to clean anything of free of any dirt and grime, and that's what's on here. Okay, and I already washed it, so I used a damp cloth. And I wiped it down. So I have already done that step. So now let's spread the baking soda on it, because I had told you earlier that those were the ingredients. The ingredients are, again, excuse me, y'all, baking soda, vinegar, and you will need a toothbrush and that bristle pad. So let's get started. I covered my baking soda up. I have already poured it on there, as you can see. So we're going to even it out on each aisle. You can use any type baking soda if you like. I use the generic type today, but I normally use Armor baking soda. I wanted to try it with this tutorial to see if that brand works also with cleaning my glass top oven. Yeah. This wouldn't be my oven, but like I said earlier, I just moved in this duplex, and it was already like this. So as we have evened it out, as you can see, now we're going to pour some vinegar on it so it can saturate, activate. As you can see, it's bubbling up. It's bubbling up. So we're going to scrub. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Make sure you have a good brush. Pour more as you go. And the vinegar is activating it. Activating the baking soda. Put some more baking soda on there. Excuse me, you all. Trying to let you all see it. You can add more baking soda as you go. I am going to end up using my Brillo pad. But as you go, you just scrub. You know, that grime, and which is grease, build up juices from your different types of food that you cook. Yeah, I can feel the grime coming up. It's smoother than it was from just going over it with this toothbrush. I'm just going around and around. Okay. Now I'm going to try the Brillo pad. I'm going to go over, not try it, but that's the steps. You want to go over with a toothbrush. Then you want to try the Brillo pad, which I'm using now. Don't be afraid to scrub and scrub. Using force to your scrubs while you clean your glass top, because it's not going to damage the glass and you're not going to break the glass. So just make sure you use those even forces when you're using your Brillo pad. Put that in it. That arm. You know what I'm talking about. Put that grease in there. Scrub. Yes, you can't rub gently and lightly because you're trying to clean it. Not just giving a thorough clean, but not just wipe. You're not wiping it down. You're cleaning it. So. I should have saturated earlier before I went out today, because I knew I wanted to do this tutorial on how to clean your glass top. So yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Sorry for the interruption. Yes. So now I have saturated my stovetop oven with paper towels so I can get all the residue up, because I have cleaned it. So let's see what the results are going to be. I really have saturated it. I'm gonna wipe it off. As you can see, there's a lot of it. Residue left on here. Chemicals. baking soda, the Brillo pad. I use the toothbrush. I also use the Myers multi-purpose spray and vinegar. Baking soda and the vinegar activate together, and let's see, it's not as hard as I'm rubbing now, trying to get all the residue up and the chemicals up on it. I'm rubbing across the surface. It's not as bad, but it's not like I want it to be. Okay guys, I'm gonna be back and show you the results. Okay guys, I'm back. I have cleaned up my surface, my glass surface. Sorry y'all, I'm eating some nuts. Peanuts, almonds. I meant to say almonds. But anyway, I have cleaned up my surface with this Mrs. Myers cleaner, dry, multi-purpose, Mrs. Myers uses it every day on anything. As you can see, this is how it looks. It looks better from the beginning, but as you can see, it did not get that much grime off of it. It's smoother as far as the texture, but the color, you can still see it. Yeah, but the texture is very smooth. But this grimy grease that has been built up for so long is still on there. If you can see it. All that. So, back here, it still look grime back here, but it's not as built up as this one. So, yeah, it's not as built up as this one, if you can see it. Yeah. And this back aisle right here, it's the same as the rear on the right, but this is the left here. This is the left one. And it's also smooth, but you still can see the grimy grease build up on there. Okay, as I said before, I use the Myers. I'm going to put some more in there, make it a little, get a little shine. Make it get a little shine. Mine, it's a nice shine. But the grime is not up like it should be. But I got mostly of all the hard work. So now I'm gonna put a little vinegar on here to see what it will do. I'm gonna use my paper towels here, my napkins. These are napkins, brown napkins. I'm just gonna go across it. Okay, as you can see, it left a streak. I guess it's for the chemicals, because you know vinegar breaks everything down. Whatever's on there, it breaks it down. So that's why earlier the baking soda and vinegar activated, because it breaks each other down. Baking soda with using a solution on surfaces will break down, and also vinegar will break a chemical or substance down. But I'm gonna have to do a little bit more work on these owls here, on this one, because as you can see, it still has that build up on it. But it's very it's smoother than it was, because I put that arm work in with the Brillo pad. Okay guys, that's the end of my tutorial. on how to clean my glass top oven. Thank you for tuning in to Explicit Wellness. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share my video.